Boink. Boink, 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 boink. So, you think you got something for me, huh? Bring it. Just bring it. Oh, shit. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Hands Off with PLG. I'm PLG. No hat. Just got out of the rain locker. It's a hot one down here in Florida today. Everybody's driving around with their "Oh, help me, I'm in Florida" turned on and their cars and their windows up. I couldn't do that in the motorhome. The dashboard "Oh, help me, I'm in Florida" unit, it doesn't work. It's not charged. So anyways, today, LAG the mama is on her way to Illinois for vacation for a couple of months. I got running the house. So I want to make some food that I can eat on for a few days at a time here. Like I need it. Look at this. I put a pound back on because it didn't work out in the pool yesterday. But anyways, I'm going to make some split pea soup. This stuff is so difficult to make you might need to call a scientist from the scientifical institution to help you with it. And hold your hand, maybe your pinky, like this. Help, Mr. Scientist. And he'll be like, "It is fine, you must do the cubicles of the quadrums." So that, all that shit, you talk you right through it. Here's what we got. We have got 1 quart, 4 cups, chicken stock. We've got 1 small to medium diced yellow onion, 1 pound of cubed ham. We've got a 1/4 cup, I believe. Yep, right there. 1/4 cup. Can you focus on that? 1/4 cup, 4 tablespoons of butter. We've got some garlic right here, minced garlic. We've got salt, pepper, 1 pound of dry split peas. You get them with where the rice and stuff and the dried beans are at the store. Already sorted through for rocks and stuff. It's rock free, thank you. And over here in this bowl, I've got 2.5 cups of water. Is also going to be used. Over here, and on our stovetop, we have got our stock pot, one of my stock pots. It's not ours, this is mine. This had a banged up bottom, it was all dented and stuff, and I hammered it back out. So it's basically hand hammered, see? I did that, thank you. So we got a stock pot. I'm going to turn our heat on to, pardon while I reach in front of you here, I'm going to kick our heat on to about 7. I'm going to put it on 7, medium high, just to get started. Chop, right? What we're going to start with here, I probably should let that pan get a little bit warmer, but we're going to put our 4 tablespoons of butter. You can use more, you can use less if you want. Don't use butter if you don't want to. That's fine. We're gonna let that melt. I'm gonna let this come up to a good temperature, and we'll be right back. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we are. Okay, our butter's all nice and hot and bubbling. We are going to take our onions and pop them in here. Most of them anyway. I got them kind of mixed with some of the ham. But one of our onions in here, like so. Onions in the butter. Now, that's good. We'll simmer these down just a little bit here. Simmer them down a touch. We'll let these simmer down here for probably, stir them around a little bit. Simmer them down for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Be right back. Okie dokie, we're back. Now, I am going to take, and we're going to put about, I'd say, a good 3 cloves worth of minced garlic, just like so. Mr. Cowboy Spoon, say hello. Hello, everybody. It's me again, Mr. Cowboy Spoon. Good to see ya. I'm going to stir this garlic in for about a minute. Just about a minute. Nice and quick here. Right. Very nice, very nice. You can see the heat is boiling this stuff some. That's fine. There we go. Because we're going to be adding colder liquid to it, see? Okay, now it's time for the ham to come out and play. Now the ham is going to go in. 1 pound of cubed ham. It's going all over the place where it wants to go. Okay. 1 pound of cubed ham. We'll let this go for just a little bit. This is one of those country breakfast hams. It's about 1.5 pounds, so I just took a pound off of it and cubed it up. So it's kind of already cooked. You can use just like leftover regular ham or whatever you want, or don't use ham. Whatever, that's fine. Alright. But that's it, do its thing, sucking up that butter. Look at that beautiful, beautiful goodness. A little bit of some salt. I'll sprinkle some salt in here, I don't know. I'm gonna go, you know what? I'm gonna go about a teaspoon of salt. About like that for now, just for now. I think I'm gonna do about the same with pepper. I'm gonna go maybe just a touch more than a teaspoon of pepper, like that. Close to almost 3/4 of a tablespoon of pepper. Just like so. Stir this around, stir it around. It's all looking pretty good. Now we start having fun. We have got our 1 quart of chicken stock going into the drink, just like so. Yeah, baby. We've got our 1 pound of split peas in the drink. They go just like that, baby. There they go. All right. We've got our 2.5 cups of water, just like so. That's 2.5 cups of water. Throw that over there. I don't have big, tall bay leaves. You'd want 1 bay leaf or 2 bay leaves probably. I'm going to use 3 little ones. Bloop, right on there. And I'm going to stir this. Nice and stirred. And what we're going to do, this is going to come up to a kind of a boil, kind of a simmer. Just when it's first starting to boil. Right? Then we're going to turn down the heat to low. And we're going to cover it. Say like that. And then it's going to simmer for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. You're going to stir it about maybe, I'd say about every 20 minutes or so. Stir it and check on it. And I'll show you the stages as that goes. Right now, we're just going to bring this up to a simmer. I'm going to turn it down and I'm going to cover it. So I'll see you at our first check, or I'll just come back when I'm going to cover it when it comes to a simmer. Alright, see how we're just starting to get these little bubbles like right here? This little bubbling and stuff, that's a simmer, that's a little slow simmer. I'm going to keep my heat down. I'm going to kick it down to 3. I just got done stirring. I'm going to put this here lid on. I'm going to stir this every 20 minutes. And when it gets to the first stage of the cook, I'll let you see what it looks like. This is basically what it looks like. First stage. It looks like this. It's kind of, you got your peas and it's kind of clear looking broth, you can see. Kind of clear. That's kind of your first stage right there. So I'll see you when it hits the second stage. It'll probably be about 40 minutes or so. I'll be right back. I turned on the camera and the fucking air conditioner kicked on too. Okay, well here's what it looks like. Second stage of cooking. The peas are getting a little bit more soft. We're getting a little bit more green water going on here. This has been about 20 minutes, right? That's the second stage. Still a little bit clear, but not bad looking, see? A little bit more green. A little bit more thick. Second stage. I'm going to set the timer again. Like I said, it's probably been about 25 minutes. So I'm going to set the timer, and I'll stir it again in about 20 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like from there. And there, my friends, is the done stage. Complete. Split pea soup, baby. Let that cool down. We'll fish out the bay leaves. I'll get them in a little bit. There she is. Damn Skippy. Let's get us a bowl, shall we? So there you have it. Split pea and ham soup. Good stuff. Took about a little over an hour. Around an hour and 15 minutes total. Not too shabby, huh? And what's that? You need biscuit with it. Bam. That's not enough? Bam. There's another one. I botched that one. 2 biscuits. You can have crackers with it. Dip bread and butter in it. Just eat it plain. Good stuff. Good stuff. And that's it for this episode of Hands On with BLG. Hope you liked making some split pea soup with me. And hit that like button, share, subscribe, all that good happy stuff. Spread the word. Share these videos. Spread the word, people. You guys are all I got to grow this channel, alright? So, till next time, folks. For Hands On with BLG, for BLGI, and BLG, this guy right y'all. I am righty. I am lefty. About to kill a fucking fly. Just saw him go that way. He went over there. Bastard. Till the next time, folks. You know what to do. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.